everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter J. The letter J has the sound J. J. Let's try a few words which start with the J sound. J is for jam. J. J. Jam. Jam. J is for jet. J. J. Jet. Jet. J is for jar. J. J. Jar. Jar. J is for jug. J. J. Jug. Jug. J is for jump. J. J. Jump. Jump. J is for jeep. J. J. Jeep. Jeep. J is for jeans. J. J. Jeans. Jeans. J is for juice. J. J. Juice. Juice. J is for jelly. J. J. Jelly. Jelly. J is for jigsaw. J. J. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. J is for joker. J. J. Joker. Joker. J is for jacket. J. J. Jacket. Jacket. And not to forget me, J is for jellyfish. J. J. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter J with me. See you again very soon in another phonics class. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.